up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make a bait bazooka. We've got a catfishing tournament this weekend, so we're making a bait bazooka so we can go out 300 yards. So we're gonna get a film for all that. After I edit it tonight, I'll post it up. Like it, subscribe. See you then. What's up, everybody? So today, like I said, we are making a bait launcher. We have a tournament this Saturday, and we just want to use it. We think it's cool, we want to build it, so cool. So right now, I am going to measure out my 6-inch in diameter pipe to make our tank. Then we'll end up measuring out our 2-inch in diameter barrel, and then we have 2 elbows to install, plus a small piece of pipe in between them so that we can put our Schrader valve, and then our end cap on the end of the tank. And then we have 2 reducers, 6-inch to 4-inch and 4-inch to 2-inch. So we're gonna hop right into it and get to making this. Watch and learn. Skip to the end because the GoPro ended up losing the memory, or I'm sorry, the memory became full. So right now we're just adding a rubber piece to the end of the barrel to put a little bit of space in between the tank and the barrel, and then we'll end up painting it and stuff, so stay tuned. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! Dude, that went all the way back to that, dude. This shoots well over 100 yards at 50 psi. Yes.
Well, that's the end of it. Hope you enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun making it. You'll see it in action in a couple days when I post again. We're going on a fishing tournament Saturday morning at 6 o'clock in the morning. Is sign up and it ends at 3 for a charity event. So hopefully we catch some big fish so I can show you guys. Hopefully you have a good day. And I guess that's it. Like, subscribe, hit notifications. We'll be coming right back at you. Peace out.